How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be going over the Aeropress brewing piece of equipment. It's so versatile. It's great for camping, traveling, at home, really anywhere. We're going to be going over 3 different brewing methods. So we got our kind of on the box instruction method. We're going to go over the inverted method, and then a kind of newer 10-minute long steep by Jonathan Gagnier. All right, so let's do the inverted method. Most of this talking will just be for my benefit. All right, so 17.5 grams of Magdalena in, upside down. Level it, and double level it. 210 degree water. Start the time and pour. Gonna pour about halfway. Give it a good agitation. And then finish pouring about to the top of the Aeropress, which should be around 200 to 220 grams. 215 sounds good. Now put the cap on with paper filter in there as well. And then we're gonna let it steep for maybe 2 minutes, and then we'll put the cup on top, turn it all upside down, and press. It's kind of hot to touch. And press. Elliot just sneezed.
I heard.
Almost. Yeah. Okay. Good?
Yeah.
All right. Normal method. Just pouring to the number 1 on the front. Giving it a little stir with the stir stick too. Then plunging. Just right away. Probably shouldn't be pressing it on the scale. Oh well.
Just adding weight.
I'm like pulling up at the same time. Is that about it? No. Okay, hold on. I was watching a video of the creator of this, and he presses like this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this works. He knew what he was doing.
Get like a scar tissue on your forearm.
Yeah. Right time, like I didn't on the first one. Oh no.
And then if you just want to leave that stuff on the table too, because it fills the shot.
Okay.
Just
I'll
so-
leave the kettle.
Yeah, just so it doesn't. It's like all that blank space kind of just makes it feel like isolated.
Yeah. Okay, that should be a better seal.
I'm in the middle of something right now. He was like, it's not important. I'm like, okay. Like,
Why are you
in the
interrupting me?
middle of a fucking sentence. And then I go over there and he's like, so some of these, you know, some of these are like a little more yellow than others? And I was like, yeah, those are called Quakers. Like,
Was that it?
yeah, that was it. And then he's like, tells Len, he's like, Elliot's so secretive with all the information.
What? I think he's
Pretty much.
projecting, dude.
Yeah, he's a.
He thinks these are oatmeal.
Needs to be
Alright.
like porridge.
All right, Alex, taste them. Tell me which one you like most, or don't like most, or why. What do you?
This one has like the most like full body.
Okay.
Yeah. And I feel like it's like the most extracted as well. This one's like probably more in the middle, and this one is like seems like the lightest to me.
Which one do you like the most?
I think the middle one.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So that left side is inverted method with paper filter and the Aeropress normal filter. This one is like bog standard Aeropress recipe, just with added water. And this is the like 10-minute long metal stream.
It's weird. Which one did you like the most?
Maybe that one? I think this, I just put way too much coffee in.
You put too much.
Thanks for watching, guys. Let us know in the comments if you like the Aeropress, how you brew it, any funny stories with it, how you kind of learned about it, or anything like that. If you're new to the Aeropress, feel free to hit up the cafe in Carlsbad or steadystateroasting.com, where we have the Aeropress and all other brewing equipment available for you guys too. All right, see you in the next one, guys. Thanks.